Hello guys, this is Shruti again, going to talk on something in English today. So, let me give you thousands of reasons why you should take experience to work at corporate. Yes, you heard it right. You should take experience or you should work intentionally at corporate. Yes, I know. There are so many toxic cultures, there are headaches, there are that you have to praise people, you have to please people at the corporate. So many things are there. I know that very well. But still, let me give you the reasons why you should take that experience to work at corporate. Because when you will work at corporate, it will give you so much experience about each and everything. It will give you experience about people, how their mindsets are, again, how much toxic people can be there in the world. That kind of experience, if you want to sustain in your life, like if you want to go somewhere out of city, out of country, from your far from your home, you have to work there, on anything, like on yourself it can be, on your business it can be. So you should know the reality of world, and corporate is the thing that it will show you the reality of the cruel world. And corporate has so much what I can say, corporate has so much different levels of experiences. As you will work in small company, whatever it is there, if you are going to work at corporate, it will give you experience that every teenager or every person should experience once in life. For a year it can be, for 1.5 years it can be, 2 years, 3 years, doesn't matter. But just go work at corporate, take that experience to explore your life, to explore yourself, and to be yourself. When you will work at corporate, that time you will get to know why you should not work at corporate for the rest of your life. This is the truth. Okay, and when you will get to know that this is not the thing I can do for the rest of my life, as soon as you will get that thing, as soon as you will get that thing in your mind, you will become like clear vision, you would be having clear vision in front of your eyes. And that time, as soon as you will start working, that time you will get to know like how many different kind of experiences were there that you should take from corporate. How what things are you missing? Like if you want to understand people, if you want to understand different kinds of human nature, understand the toxic mindsets of people, how people can be snake, like whatever the memes, whatever the reels you are watching on internet, on especially Instagram, you can't feel that thing until you are in that thing. Yes, I'm working at corporate. I have experienced so many different things, different people. After working at corporate, I have that much confidence that I can talk to anyone, I can manipulate anyone, or I can make them work as I want. That much confident I have. Still, I'm not in that much higher position. Still, this much experience I have, this much I have explored myself. Everyone knows like how is the culture, those who had worked. But as early as you will get in this thing, you will understand, like you will get to know what you have to do with your life. Like, are you really able to, after 25, if you are going at corporate, things will be changed. Like after 25 there are like peer pressure on you, you have to earn something, you have to give your family also, you have to earn for yourself also, for your expenses also. So you might be not having that many options in front of you, that right now I can take chance, I can just throw it out, the corporate culture and all, I can do something on my own. You can't. After 25, 27, after 30, you can't take that decision. So as much as you will go for the job, as much as experience can you get early in your life, it is going to help you in your future. This is truth, and this was my personal experience. Right now, yes, at very young age I have started, I know. But as I see people of my age, they're like doing time pass, they know nothing about anything, about like people, about out of culture, they know nothing. And that's, I was feeling like shit, how childish they are, man. They should know the things, but I can't do anything. So this was the thing I want to share from my experience. Bye bye.